Igloo 70 quart premium Trailmate wheeled rolling cooler. Well folks, this is what coolers are all about. This one has everything. Has extendable handle that reaches, easily pulls this cart on sand. It's got a long handle, as you can see. It's got big dirt wheels. Rolls really easy, and you need that when you're on sand. It's got a big capacity inside. There's cup holders on top of the machine, and there's a tray that goes with it. It's called a butler tray. You can serve drinks with the tray. It's a high-tech kind of cooler. You can also use a dry storage device if you're at the beach or at the wherever you're at. So this is one of my favorite coolers all time.